Okay, let's go. Alright team, Carl here, Redbeard Recipes. In this video I made some Italian, I'd say pasties. Look a bit like an empanada, but let's go with pasty. Alright. Really quick, really easy. Hope you like it. Like and subscribe, and let's get you started. Alright, to start off, we're going to fry off 300 grams of diced pancetta. We'll fry it till it goes nice and brown, and then take it off the heat and let it cool.
Chill, Winston.
Once it's cooled, add it to a bowl. We're going to get our hot sopressa. We're using eight slices. Did have 10. Chop that into squares. Add it into the bowl, give it a good mix, make sure they're not stuck together. Then we're going to add in 375 grams of smooth ricotta. Again, give that a good mix, cover it and pop it in the fridge overnight.
Tomorrow for sure.
We're going to need some sheets of puff pastry. I use a little cutter, probably about the size of a can width, and cut them out. This did make quite a few. Little spoonful of the mixture, fold it over and then crimp it together. Pop them on baking sheets and give it a little spray of oil, and we'll have them in the oven for around 45 minutes on around 180, and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.
Ta-ta and farewell.